Could you read from the book History of Western Philosophy by Bertrand Russell?
Ma'am, you mean The History of Western Philosophy by Bertrand Russell? The entire book?
It's a very big book. You can't read it.
In that case, I will read only a few paragraphs from the introduction.
That is fine, thank you. Go ahead.
The conceptions of life and the world, which we call philosophical, are a product of two factors. One, inherited religious and ethical conceptions. The other, the sort of investigation which may be called scientific. Using this word in its broadest sense, individual philosophers have differed widely in regard to the proportions in which these two factors enter into their system. But it is the presence of both, in some degree, that characterizes philosophy. Philosophy, as I shall understand the word, is something intermediate between theology and science. Like theology, it consists of speculations on matters as to which definite knowledge has so far been unascertainable. But like science, it appeals to human reason rather than to authority, whether that of tradition or of revelation. All definite knowledge, so I should contend, belongs to science. All dogma as to what surpasses definite knowledge belongs to theology. But between theology and science, there is a no man's land, exposed to attack from both sides. This is philosophy. Almost all the questions of most interest to speculative minds are such as science cannot answer, and the confident answers of theologians no longer seem so convincing as they did in former centuries. Is the world divided into mind and matter? And if so, what is mind and what is matter? Is mind subject to matter, or is it possessed of independent powers? Has the universe any unity or purpose? Is it evolving towards some goal? Are there really laws of nature, as do we believe in them only because of our innate love of order? Is man what he seems to the astronomer, a tiny lump of impure carbon and water impotently crawling on a small and unimportant planet? Or is he what he appears to Hamlet? Is he perhaps both at once? Is there a way of living that is noble and another is base?